Paul?
When lightning strikes, it will hit anything chooses. That car was so close. I can't imagine what it would be like to fall into this hot mud. So what would happen? I really hope no one is inside that house. The wind is so strong, tearing its roof apart. Oh my God. Oh my God. The wind is so powerful, it's dragging the car as if it were just a toy. Captured on camera, a swimming pool shook violently, with water spilling over its edges during the earthquake in Turkey some time ago. This sheep farm is submerged in floodwaters, and the poor animals can't do anything to save themselves. I truly hope they make it through safely. This bridge couldn't withstand the overwhelming force of the massive flood. Oh my God. This bus couldn't hold its own weight as the powerful wind toppled it over. It couldn't stand against the sheer power of nature. This drone footage reveals the terrifying force of the tsunami in Japan, sweeping away everything in its path without mercy. People are busy with their lunch menus, so much so that they forget an earthquake is happening. Look at this hailstorm, like ice balls falling from the sky. It's incredibly dangerous if it hits your head. The tsunami in Japan swept away ships and everything in its path, crashing them onto the land. The landslide in China struck nearly all the parked vehicles, burying them under tons of rubble. He has already mastered the terrain. A massive landslide has destroyed several homes in a village. He was so eager to plow the field with his new tractor. You should have called the plumber earlier. This is really serious. The beauty of the sea seems endless. Oh my God.
Come inside, girl!
A cat's senses are incredibly sharp. The waterlogged and slippery road makes this truck dance. The flash of lightning turns the dark night into a blinding light, both bright and terrifying. This rock needs to travel a long distance to reach the bottom. This bridge can't withstand the force of the flood's powerful surge. Oh my God, this earthquake shock is truly terrifying. That building just collapsed. Oh my God, this is truly amazing.
That's amazing.
These fish are starving.
Ihr seid ist vorne. Kommt
und als Stadtbahnfahrer zur SSB. Männlich-weiblich divers, Ausbildung in der betriebseigenen Fahrschule, gleich bewerben auf ssb-.
One of the billions of natural wonders captured on camera. Oh my God. The melting snow flows white, resembling milk. Floodwaters have eroded the soil and riverbanks, causing houses to collapse and be swept away by the current.
Ya Allah, Ya Allah. One in a billion moments in nature caught on camera.
Your load is way too heavy, buddy. Oh no, is there really no other way? Oh my God, it looks like a giant burst of fire. Overloaded or just can't drive, buddy. Truly mesmerizing. A massive wave crashes into the fishing boat. Oh my God.
Oh my God, it's like right in front of them. Oh my God. There is a freaking tornado. Oh my God. Oh my God, there goes the trampoline.
A massive cloud blocks the ship's path. The vessel has no way to avoid the dark orange haze. End quote. Hi, is there someone there?
Under there?
Are you kidding me? I got it! I got it!
A personal winter wonderland, a serene and magical place covered in snow.